We are here for the industrial visit, so I'm very excited and I was aware that what is going to happen. So today we visited to HR, and this is the second visit in Munsters. So we have seen how these products are defined from raw to end product, and in this between what it takes place, how the utmost care taken by the team, and there is just not one team or there is always a chain and the dependencies. So it is excited to see how the inventory outwards and everything comes. So I'm excited to see many more to come. Thank you so much for this.
My name is Aditi Arora and I am from batch JA25. My specialization is HR, and I am not a working professional, I am a fresher, but I have joined this course to enhance my skills along with the PGDM certificate. Today I'm going to talk about the industries I have visited. I have visited HR equipment, Monter, Medimex and Bunty Foods, which was into the production of Parle-G. This industry visit has helped me gain a lot of experience about how an industry actually produces and manufactures real goods and products. It was a really good experience, and I don't think so I could have got this opportunity if it wasn't for WeSchool. So I'm thankful for WeSchool, and I have learned a lot of things. It was really amazing.